welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be talking about the brand new salicylic acid serum from The Ordinary. I've been waiting for this for quite some time. I finally received it in the mail. Decium did give this to me, and everything that I say in this video is based on my own experience and opinions on this product. I have tried this a handful of times, so let's talk about it. Let's talk about the ingredients, the texture, how does it feel on the skin, and let me tell you how to use this in your skincare routine. So let's get right into it, but don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell, and also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up as well. Okay, so let's talk about the brand new salicylic acid 2% Anhydrous Solution. We have been waiting for The Ordinary to release a new salicylic acid product for some time now. Perhaps you remember the original formulation. That one has been unavailable now for at least a couple of years. And we have all been wondering why The Ordinary has not released anything since then. Up until now, of course, and I'm so happy that they have finally released a leave-on option, because right now from The Ordinary, the only salicylic acid product that we were able to use is the mask. And I have talked about this a few times on my channel. It is a great product. It's a mask that you want to use 1 to 2 times a week. You want to leave it on for at least 10 minutes and rinse off. And it's effective. It really is lovely. But there's nothing better than a leave-on product, and a product that you can be consistent with and use it every day if you want to do so. So if you have sensitive skin, listen up, because this is going to be a product that you will want to try, especially if you have blackheads, whiteheads, enlarged pores, rough texture, bumpy skin. Salicylic acid is great for all of these skin concerns, and not only can oily combination skin use this, but all skin types can use this now, because this is formulated to be gentle. It's very moisturizing as well, and so far I have not experienced any irritation, which is a great thing. So this is a water-free formulation. The first ingredient in the ingredient list is squalane. Squalane is very moisturizing. I have talked about this ingredient several times on my channel before. So if you have dry skin, but you do experience breakouts and you have blackheads, then again, this is going to be a fabulous product to use, because this is going to keep your skin moisturized, and this is not going to be as harsh and irritating as some other salicylic acid products on the market. Now, depending on your skin type and how sensitive you are to exfoliating acids, specifically salicylic acid, there are so many products on the market that can cause dryness, and it can cause our skin to feel tight and uncomfortable. But when you apply this to your skin, I am telling you right now, this is the most gentle salicylic acid product I have ever used. My skin does not feel tight. It does not feel irritated. I have not experienced any dryness. I haven't been using this for too long, but the amount of times that I have used it, I haven't experienced any of these things, which is a nice thing. So what I used to do is, if I plan on using an exfoliating acid like a lactic acid, or perhaps a salicylic acid from a different brand, I will always pair up a moisturizing serum beforehand to keep my skin comfortable and moisturized. Well, with this product, I honestly feel like you don't need to do that. I haven't done that, and my skin has been great. Of course, you can still use a nice moisturizing serum beforehand, like a toner or an essence, or perhaps The Ordinary Amino Acids Plus B5. You can still do that, but because the first ingredient is squalane, you don't need to. I just feel like this formula is designed so nicely. So not only does this contain squalane, it has that 2% salicylic acid, which is a standard percentage in skincare. That's usually the percentage that you see when a brand comes out with a salicylic acid product. Now, this formulation also contains a sunflower oil that is derived from polysaccharides. Now, polysaccharides are lovely to have in skincare products, specifically exfoliating acids, because polysaccharides are going to prevent that acid from penetrating into the skin too quickly. Because sometimes that acid, once it hits the skin, that's when it starts the exfoliation process right away, and of course that's when we can experience some dryness, some irritation, redness, and of course our skin can feel a little bit itchy once that acid is applied to the skin. But having that sunflower oil derived from polysaccharide in the formulation, this is going to allow that salicylic acid to penetrate into the skin more slowly. So that's why this formulation is more gentle and suited for those that have more of a sensitive skin type. This also contains butyl cyclohexanol, which I hope I'm saying that word correctly. I will insert that word right here. And this ingredient is a soothing ingredient that is engineered to target sensitivities and discomfort. So let's talk about when and how to use this. So you can use this serum every day, twice a day. If you use it in your morning skincare routine, make sure that you're wearing sunscreen on an everyday basis. Now, you can apply this all over your face and your neck, or you can just spot treat with this. So if you have an area on your skin that appears to be more problematic, where you have more blackheads in one area, or you tend to break out in a specific area, or you have sections where you have pores that are more enlarged, then you can just use this and spot treat those areas, or of course, again, apply it all over your face and your neck. It's completely up to you. Now, there are some products that you should be cautious with when pairing up this product. So according to The Ordinary, they say that you really shouldn't be pairing this up with copper peptides. You also don't want to be mixing this into the 100% niacinamide powder from The Ordinary. The EUK 134 0.1% is an antioxidant from The Ordinary. You don't want to be using that with this. And of course, other types of direct acids like lactic, glycolic acid, because if you pair up those other acids with this, it's a very harsh and irritating combo, and it can cause a lot of sensitivities, and it's not necessary to do that, but of course at the end of the day you know your skin best on what it can handle. So if you like using multiple different acids together and you see great results, then of course keep doing what is working for you, but a lot of people can't use exfoliating acids with others. So please keep that in mind, of course, when you're picking and choosing what products to mix this with. And I also would not recommend using your pure forms of vitamin C with this either, because again, it can be a very harsh and irritating combo. So that's what it looks like. You can tell that it's very thin. It's honestly like water, but again, water-free. And you only need a couple of drops to apply to your face and your neck, because this honestly spreads very nice. And again, you will have that oily feel to the skin, but it's super lightweight. It dries down immediately. You will have that sheen to your skin for a little bit until it tones down. And then of course, once you apply your moisturizer on top, then everything will look more skin-like. This also retails at $6.50 Canadian. So I love it. I highly recommend it, especially if you enjoy using salicylic acid. And again, it's gentle and it's super moisturizing. And I think The Ordinary did an amazing job with this formulation. And I really love that the first ingredient is squalane. So let me know if you're going to try this. Let me know if you've tried it already. Let's get a conversation going in the comment section. I will let you know in time how I really like it once the product is finished. So I will mention that in an empties video in the near future, so stay tuned for that. I will also have this product linked below for you for your reference. But thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And of course, I will see you all in my next video. Take care, and I will see you guys then. Bye, guys.